इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कि ज्यादातर कोचिंग ज्यादातर लोगों के लिए काम क्यों नहीं करती है. That's something that's very easy to understand once you just spend some time thinking about very basic questions. So as I shared in one of the earlier videos also, what is the primary purpose of opting for a CAT coaching or coaching of any kind? It is to maximize your chances of success. And when does that happen? It happens when you improve the maximum possible. So if you are able to improve in the most effective manner in whatever time you're spending at a coaching, then you're probably gaining all that you can gain through there. Otherwise, there's a question. Now let's see what is the construct of most of the traditional coachings. कोचिंग में होता क्या क्या है? किसी भी कोचिंग में स्टडी मटेरियल होगा, राइट? टेस्ट सीरीज होगी, बहुत अच्छे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स होंगे, तकरीबन हर कोचिंग में अच्छे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स होते हैं, क्लासेस होंगी जिनमें आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा, और एक माहौल होगा. There will be an environment, there will be competitors, there will be other students will be there. Now, just assume there are thousands of other students along with you who go to coaching. They go to the same classes, they study from the same material, they're taught by the same pretty good faculty members, they take up the same test series and they get the same environment as you. तो फिर तो सबका इम्प्रूवमेंट बराबर होगा. तो फिर जिसने शुरुआत आगे की थी वही आगे रहेगा, क्योंकि आप कुछ भी खास, कुछ भी स्पेशल ऐसा कर ही नहीं रहे हो अपनी जरूरतों के हिसाब से. That propels you ahead of others or that allows you to improve to the maximum possible extent. In fact, all you're relying upon is a lot of volume or a lot of quantity, a lot of material, a lot of classes, a lot of practice to somehow to put you ahead of others. But that will only happen if others don't really work as hard as you. Otherwise, अगर बाकी लोग भी वही मेहनत कर रहे हैं और वही सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं जो आप कर रहे हो, तो आप relative chances of success अपने नहीं बढ़ा रहे हो. In fact, there's a high probability that you're not even using your time really well, because any single approach, even medicines work differently on different people. So any single approach fitting everyone is simply unlikely to work out for most of the people, right? You will surely improve with so much of practice and regularity. But again, is that your best shot? And are you improving more than others? These are the questions you need to think about. So how will you gain over thousands of others if all of you are doing the same thing? If all of them are slogging as hard, all of them are doing the same class sheets, same basic concept booklets, writing the same tests, getting taught by the same teachers, right? So you need something that adapts to your needs, that maximizes your chances of success. So think about what exactly it is that will give you the best shot at CAT. If your adaptive preparation for CAT is something that you're interested in or keen on finding more about, do visit our website at mbaguru.in. And in case there are any other queries that you have, just put them in the comments below. We'd be happy to answer those as well. But you get the gist of it, right? Don't join any coaching blindly just because a lot of friends are joining it or some seniors have joined it. You have to think for yourself. जो लीडर्स होते हैं, जो किसी भी फील्ड में कामयाब होते हैं, वो लोग डिसीजंस अपने लेते हैं, उनके रीजंस अपने होते हैं कोई भी डिसीजन लेने के. तो आप किसी भी कोचिंग में जा रहे हो, अगर आपको कन्विक्शन है कि आपको वहां पे वो चीजें मिल रही हैं जो आपको चाहिए, then you will make that decision work really well. It does not matter which coaching you go to. Right? But if you're just doing it because of others, you don't have that conviction, then chances are you won't succeed. In fact, I've done a separate video about what not to do while choosing a CAT coaching. I'll link that in the description below. Go through that as well. It's a very short and crisp video that will probably help you a little more in thinking about it. If you like this content, if it helped you consolidate your thoughts a little bit, do like it. Feel free to share it among your friends. See you soon again in another video. Bye for now.